Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so delighted to have you back on my channel. For returning subscribers and for new subscribers, I say welcome. On this channel, I teach how to make money online, and I've made some previous videos talking about the 86FB platform, how the platform works, and the truth you need to know about the platform. Now, because I don't want to make this video lengthy, I'm just going to go straight to the point. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your very little capital into millions using the 86FB platform. So we're going to do this using compound interest. But before I show you how to calculate this, what is compound interest? Let's take a look at what compound interest is all about, and then we go into how we can turn our little capital into millions using the compound interest formula. Introducing compound interest. So what is compound interest and how does this help us as far as this business is concerned? So let's take a look at compound interest. What is compound interest? Compound interest is the addition of interest on the principal sum of a deposit, or in other words, interest on interest. It is the result of reinvesting interest rather than paying it out, so that the interest in the next period is then earned on the principal sum plus previously accumulated interest. Now, compound interest investment is the most profitable form of investment anywhere in the world. This is the one that works best, for most investors, because your money is just making money for you, all right? Because you leave your money over a period of time, it works for you, it makes money for you, it becomes your new capital to keep investing. That is what I talk about, reinvesting the interest rather than paying it out. So what this simply means is that you make interest upon your deposit. Example, you have 10,000 naira and then you made 1,000 naira interest on your 10,000 naira today. And instead of withdrawing your 1,000 naira, that is your interest on that deposit, on that 10,000 naira, you choose to add that interest to the 10,000 naira to use it for your business the next day. So if you are doing that, then your capital for the next day becomes 11,000, not 10,000 naira anymore. But what is growing that capital, or what is growing that principal, is the interest. So your interest keeps adding upon interest to increase your principal sum for the particular business you're doing. So we're going to look at this on the 86FB platform, how it's going to profit us, how we can turn very little capital to millions using this platform and using this compound interest strategy. Okay, level one investment. Level one investment here on the 86FB platform is 3,500. The minimum deposit amount on the 86FB platform is 3,500 Nigerian naira. This amount enables you to verify the item's authenticity, that is the authenticity of the platform. If you want to make a lot of money with this, then you have to join me to look at the compound interest statement. So we're going to go to the compound interest calculator, and then we're going to see what we can do with 3,500. The reason why I want to use this level one investment first is to let us know that nobody has an excuse not to make money with this platform, because as little as 3,500, even if you're a student, you can afford 3,500 to be able to make money, because the money you spend in a day buying Coke, buying burger and all that is more than 3,500, and you can turn this 3,500 into millions and invest in other platforms that can give you financial freedom. I'm not telling you that 86FB can actually make you rich, but I'm saying that if you maximize the opportunity on this platform, you can actually raise capital for other business opportunities that you have, and then you can establish yourself and have other sources of income apart from the 86FB platform. But with this platform, you can actually make some millions, not making the millions and sitting on it and eating it every day, but making it to reinvest it elsewhere, that you can have absolute financial freedom. So let's take a look at the compound interest statement from the compound interest calculator and see what we can make with this little amount of money. All right, so join me as I take you to the calculator right now. All right, so this is the compound interest calculator. You can take a look at the interface, look at what it looks like. It's very easy to use. You can always use this, okay? So you can see compound interest, SIP calculator, daily compounding, forex compounding. But what we want to do right now, we want to use the daily compounding to calculate what we are going to make using this first level investment on the 86 FB platform, which is just 3,500 naira. So how can we turn this into millions within a couple of months? So what we're going to do right now, we're going to enter the principal amount. The principal amount we want to enter here is 3,500 naira. Okay, I'm going to click on blank because I'm not using dollar. So we're just going to use the figure. Then what is the interest rate? On the 86 FB platform, you make the daily interest rate is 3%. So we're going to put 3% here and say it's daily. All right, so we're going to look at months. Okay, so first of all, we're going to try to see within 90 days what we can make with 3,500 naira. 90 days, that's to say 3 months. So I'm just going to enter 3 here. So that's 3. Okay, include weekends, yes, because on the 86 FB platform, even weekends you make money. Saturdays and Sundays you make money. All right, so we're going to include that. We'll say yes, we leave it on yes, and then daily reinvest rate 100%. All right, so we have this, and then we look at the date. This is start date. All right, okay, this is start date, and then we want to click on calculate so we can see what is going to give to us within um 3 months. All right, so we click on calculate and we wait for it to calculate and show us. Wow, this is amazing. Can you see the investment projection here? Okay, look at the investment projection here. Just with your 3,500, this is the investment value. This is the total interest you would have earned within the space of 3 months. Okay, look at the initial balance here, 3,500. So by the end of July, your 3,500 should have given you a total of 51,553 naira 18 kobo. So you'd have made 48,053 naira 18 kobo. This is what you'd have made within the space of 3 months. Okay, this is amazing, but I'm going to take us further to tell us that this platform is amazing and can actually help you come out of certain financial difficulties. If you're somebody who has vision and you really want to build a business for yourself, this is the best place to get capital for other businesses that you want to do. All right, so now let's take a look at 6 months. All right, now this is 3 months. Let's take a look at 6 months. What is this 3,500 going to give to us in 6 months? Let's take a look at it. So all we need to do right now is just change this 3 to 6. We change it to 6. The principal remains the same. Percentage remains the same. Include weekends. Every other thing remains the same. And then we come back to this place and we say calculate. Let's see what it brings out. Wow. This is awesome. Okay, so you can see the investment projection for 6 months using 3,500 naira. On the 86 FB platform, this is what you can get. This is what you can get. But guys, I want to tell you something. You don't just put your money and go to sleep. You have to work. Now the work you have to do is make sure that you make use of the signal that is given 3 times every day to make this money. If you don't use the signal, you won't make money. The platform doesn't just give you money. You have to work for the money. Now the work you have to do is ensure that you use a capital preservation plan that is given 3 times every day. With your little capital, you can get this out. All right. For someone who has invested 3,500 and wants to start a business and you have over 700,000, I think you have good capital to start a business that you want to do. But if you want to go further with this to say, okay, we made 6 months, let's look at 9 months, or let's even look at 10 months. Let's say you are saving money for a business you want to start within the space of 10 months. Okay. You want to start a business within 10 months and you decide to save up some money. Let's say that is what you're doing. And then your initial capital is 3,500. So let's take a look at what we will get in 10 months just using 3,500 naira. All right, so here we just come here quickly. I don't want to make this video too long, so we just have to hit it fast. We have 10 months and then we come here, we say calculate. Let's look at what we get in 10 months. All right, this looks too good to be true, but guys, this is very true. This is 29 million. This is 29 million in 10 months, just using 3,500 naira. So I don't know if there's any business you want to start in Nigeria as a small business owner, that 29 million is not a good capital for you to start. All you need is patience. Like I said, this platform is not a get rich quick platform. It requires a lot of patience. So by the time you put your money and you are diligent in trading every day using the capital preservation plan that is given to trade 3 times a day, you are sure to raise capital to run any other business that you want to run. Now, this is just with 3,500 naira. Let's just go down and we'll take a look at the breakdown. Look at it. It is real, guys. This is real. This is real. Okay, so this is what you have for 10 months. Look at the first month. Look at the second month. Look at it. Just take a look at it. Just take a look at it. So just imagine you do this for other figures, other investment capital, and do the projection. Imagine what you are going to get. Why I decided to use the first level investment of the platform is to let you know that nobody has an excuse to say, I do not have money to invest. All I'm going to say over and over again is it requires a lot of patience and diligence so you can make capital from this platform to invest in other businesses. If you really want to make something out of your life, you don't just make money from here and then you go spend it. You make money from here and then you go invest elsewhere so you can keep making money and keep growing on the platform. By the time you get to this point and you make withdrawal here, even to start another business, you still have capital on the platform to trade and you remain a millionaire. So 3,500 can make you a millionaire with the 86 FB platform. So instead of standing on the sidelines and waiting for the platform to fail, like a lot of people have been saying, why not take advantage of the opportunity early and then you can make good money from it with people who are making money. A lot of people are making money from this platform. I'm also making money from this platform, and that is why I can confidently do videos about how to make money from the 86 FB platform. So take advantage of this and begin to make money using compound interest on the 86 FB platform. So before I leave, I just want to give you one more. I'm going to use one more. I'm going to use a different amount just to let you know for those who want to invest big sums and then you want to actually make good money faster. I'm just going to do just one more, and let's just use 1 million naira. We'll use 1 million naira. So let's say 1 million naira, what will it give to us in 6 months? Let's just use 6 months and see what it's going to give to us in 6 months. I'll be out of here. Whoa, this looks too good to be true, guys, but it is true. This is not a get rich quick platform. It requires work. You don't just put your 1 million naira and you expect after 6 months you will get this. You have to work. You have to trade 3 times a day using the capital preservation plan. You have to be diligent with this platform to make this money. Now, this is 223 million. Some people will say, this is not true. It is true. People are cashing out. There are people who have made up to 1 billion on the platform and they're beginning to withdraw their money. This is very true. This is the initial balance. Now, take a look at the breakdown here. Look at it here. So this is the thing. Guys, take advantage of this platform and make good money for yourself. If you haven't signed up for this business on the 86 FB platform, I'm going to leave my link in the description below. All you have to do is click on the link and sign up and chat me up on WhatsApp, and then I'll guide you further on how you can begin to make money from this platform. Thank you for watching. Please like this video. Leave a comment for me in the comment section what you think about this video, and also check the link in the description so you can get registered and chat me up on WhatsApp so I can guide you further on how you can maximize the opportunity on this platform, and of course other business opportunities that can help you make money online. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and of course turn on the bell notification so you can get notified when I post new videos on how to make money online. All right, guys, thank you.